Hi friends, I'm Tlaki watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert how to use the superscript on your Google Slides. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the red color subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to use the superscript in Google Slide, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just want to make a x square, y square. So I just going to type as x, y and z. So I just going to insert square for everything, root square root or the cube root for 3 x4 x5 like that. So you can just change it to whatever that you want. That's the use of superscript. So here I just going to 2 and here 3 and here 2. Okay, now you just need to select this. Just go to the format option, go to the text. Here you can see superscript. Just click it, and the keyboard shortcut key was Ctrl plus. You should press Ctrl plus dot, so which changes to superscript. So apply this superscript by selecting the entire thing that you want to make it as superscript and just use of it. So this is how you just type it, and if you continue here you will have the same thing. So you just want to turn it off the superscript, just go to the format option and go to the text and just click again. You will see there is a change here, so it turned off. This is how you just use the superscript on your Google Slide. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with a super valuable content. This is the signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.